Welcome guys to a brand new Excel video. In this video, I'll talk about some new text functions that has been added into the Excel. Now, many times we come across a situation where we need to separate the first name and the last name and the format isn't same. So we cannot use the old text to delimiter, like text to column delimiter function that we use in past to separate the columns. Now here we have Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Brett Lee, and Rohit Sharma. Now you can clearly see that it is not in the same format, so we cannot use the text to column. Now we'll use the text split function. I'll show you how. Text split. Now it is showing we need to select the text first. Now the column delimiter. Now by column delimiter, it means that by which it will separate the text. Now you can clearly see that after Sachin there is a space, then Tendulkar. In MS, there is a space, then Dhoni. So we'll use that space. So we'll use the double inverted comma, do give a space, and also double inverted comma, and close the bracket. And if we press enter, now you can clearly see that it has been it separated Sachin Tendulkar, this Sachin and Tendulkar by using the space. Now, if we drag the function, it will also do the same for Amazoni, Bradley, and Rohit Sharma. Now it is the easy one. Now the complicated one. The text before and text after function. For example, we have the security numbers here. Now we want the code and the ID. By code I meant the 1111 and the ID is X1. Now we cannot use the text split function here because there is a EU in between here. Now I'll use the text before function for selecting the codes. Text before. Now it is giving me to select the text. Now the delimiter. By delimiter here, by which it will separate the security number. Here we have the dash. Now if I use a double inverted comma and take a dash here, it will give me the 1111. And if I drag it, I'll get the codes. Now for the same for the IDs. I'll use the text after function because it is at the end. I'll select the text here again. Now after EU, it is have an underscore. So if I put an underscore here and press enter, it will give me the X1. And if I drag it, it will give me X1, X2, X3, X4. Now that's all for the video. I hope you like my content. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. That really helps me out a lot. I'll end my video with a quote. Just do your best and leave to God all the best. Thank you. Bye guys.